Gravity is the most unknown force in the universe. Multiple theories are racing to solve the nature of gravity, and today I'll talk about one of them, which is the superstring theory. But before that, you have to know something about the standard model of particles. It describes the fundamental particles and the three forces in the universe. The elementary particles are divided into two categories: fermions, including quarks and leptons, which are the matter particles, and bosons, which are force carrier particles. They are also divided into two groups. The first group is the gauge bosons, such as photons carrying the electromagnetic force, gluons carrying the strong nuclear force W plus minus, and Z bosons carrying the weak nuclear force. The other group is the scalar bosons, including Higgs bosons only. However, the standard model of particles explains three forces of the universe. But what about dark matter and dark energy, matter-antimatter symmetry? And what about gravity? Graviton boson is a hypothetical particle carrying the force of gravity. It is claimed to be massless because it has long range propagating at the speed of light, zero electricity, and a spin of 2 because the source of gravity is stress energy tensor. Keep in mind that the quantum field theory describes the behavior of subatomic particles and their interactions as waves, represented mathematically as fields. Let us come over the basic idea of string theory. Rather than describing a point-like particles, this framework deals with one-dimensional vibrating strings of energy. Strings vibrate at different frequencies and each vibration corresponds to a particle. Strings could be opened in the case of gauge bosons. Open strings can split and join other endpoints that attach branes. However, in the case of gravitons, strings are said to be closed. Closed strings or loops have no endpoints. Closed strings allow gravitons to move across the fields, making them appear weaker. We experience 3 dimensions of space and a dimension of time, yet string theory proposes additional dimensions, up to 10 or 11, which are curled up in a way that are smaller than to be observed. According to superstring theory, the 6 unobservable dimensions can be curled up in different ways, and each possibility can suggest different universe adopting different strings, vibrations, and so on different particles.